Hi guys, in today's class you guys are going to learn how to find the perimeter of a square. So just know that a square has all sides that are equal. So if I have 3 as my length and a 2 as my width, what does that tell you? 3 and 2 is not equal to each other. So therefore we should never see different numbers around our square because all sides are equal. All the sides have to have the same number. So that's why 3 and 2 would not work in this case, okay? So if I have a 3 as my length, I have to have it as my width, my other length, and my other width as well. If I have a 2 as my length, I have to have that 2 going all the way around because when we are talking about a square, all sides are equal. And as you guys can see, if I have a 5 as my length, I have to make them as my widths as well, okay? So just always remember that a square has to have all sides that are equal. You can't have different numbers such as 1, 2, 3, and 5. That does not work, okay? Because none of those numbers are equal to each other, and a square is equal to each other, okay? So now let's start with 4. We have 4 as my width. So if I have 4 as my width, I have to make all of the other sides as a 4 too. So we have 4 for all of our sides. So we're going to add up all of the 4s. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then the 8 plus 8 is 16. So our total perimeter is 16. Okay? How was that? Was that easy? All right, let's try another one, okay? Remember, a square has all equal sides. All 4 of the sides has to be the same number. They has to be equal. So let's say like they give you a square and they say, hey, you have a length of 3. Now find the perimeter. This will be easy because you know all of the sides have to be the same number. So even though you have to fill in the other sides, this should be easy. And you can just add all of the other sides, you can just add a 3 because all sides are equal. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the 3 on all of the other sides. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And we're going to add them because when we are adding the perimeter, we add all sides, okay? So now we will have a total perimeter of 12, okay? Is that getting easier? Okay, we're going to have a little bit more practice. Let's try another one, okay? So as long as you keep in mind that a square is supposed to have all equal sides, okay? That is the #1 rule. Every side should be the same number. That's what makes every side equal, okay? So we start with a length of 2, and they say find the perimeter, right? You have to know that the other sides, you have to fill it in because you don't see any numbers in it. So it'll be easy to fill those numbers in because you know a square has equal sides. So if I have a length of 2, that means that I have to fill in the other sides, and the other sides also have to be 2. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the other sides as 2. So I'm just going to add all of them up because to find the perimeter, you add all sides. So I'm going to add up all of the 2s, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and add them, right? Okay, so let's add all the 2s, right? So we know 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, and then we're going to add the other 2 plus 2, which is 4, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. So my total perimeter is 8. Okay, so simple. Add all the sides. Make sure all the sides are the same number because a square has all equal sides. Okay, see you next time.